Imagine having a plastic bag wrapped around your neck. Slowly you have less and less oxygen coming into your lungs. This is a problem marine animals face on a daily basis. Wherever you go, you probably see plastic containers not in the recycling bin. The problem is that we're using too much plastic and it's ruining our environment. First, I will talk about the effects pollution has on the environment. Secondly, I will talk about the solutions to reduce our plastic consumption.
Good morning, everybody. Make sure you check my chart.
Plastic is very harmful to our environment, and we don't even realize it. The more plastic we use, the more we increase our plastic pollution. About 60% of seabirds, according to Kara Kunitz, staff writer at ThoughtCo, which focuses on expert-created education content, published March 17, 2017, 60% of seabirds have ingested plastic, and the number is expected to increase by 2050. According to Kara Kunitz, who I've mentioned previously, in case you're unfamiliar with the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, it is made up of the western and eastern patches. The makeup is mostly plastics, large debris. Plastics and large debris are the makeup of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. It's estimated that 70% of marine trash is at the bottom of the ocean. Algae emits a sulfuric odor. Algae emits a sulfuric odor when it breaks down. Unfortunately, it thrives on plastic, so animals eat the plastic thinking they're only eating food. That leads to starvation of marine animals. And it's not only affecting animals, it can also affect you. Depending on your diet, if you eat fish, you could be eating it with fish that has various nasty chemicals. The average human seafood eater ingests about 11,000 plastic pieces every year. The solution would be to ban plastic bags or charge for them. We have to pressure our government to pass more laws to charge or ban plastic bags. The only problems you would have with banning plastic bags would be for getting them or wherever you buy them. It might not be the cheapest, according to Jessalyn Shields, science writer for How Stuff Works, published at April 23, 2018. In 2016, California banned plastic bags that kept 13 million plastic bags out of the ocean. In 2002, Ireland passed a 30-cent charge on plastic bags that reduced their plastic pollution by 94%. According to One Green Planet, a platform known for focusing on animal issues and green living, published on April 11, 2018, we have to reduce our pollution to leave a cleaner planet for future generations. According to Jessalyn Shields, who I've mentioned before, residents will get used to not having plastic bags by bringing their own reusable grocery bags to the store, just like California and Ireland. According to National Geographic Society, a global nonprofit organization committed to exploring and protecting our planet, published on November 9, 2016, millions of animals are starving due to our plastic pollution. I have talked about how plastic affects our environment and the solutions. Our problem is that we're using too much plastic and we don't realize it's causing a big problem in our society and environment. We have to learn how to reduce our plastics. I understand it's not easy to get rid of plastic in all aspects of your life, but by reducing your consumption of it, you will help the environment greatly.